Hi guys, Turtle Tribe here. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the brake fluid in your motorcycle. As you can see, we are using a .3 brake fluid for this motorcycle. That is the Honda Forza. And but you need to check with your motorcycle manufacturer for what type of brake fluid is acceptable for your motorcycle. All right, so let's get into the video. Performing a motorcycle brake fluid change, whether it's for your rear brake or your front brake, is not as hard as it seems. So as you can see, we've already removed the top. You unscrew the top and then you top off with your brake fluid or your brake oil, just like that. Very easy. For the tools and materials you need to change your motorcycle brake fluid, you just need a screwdriver that can fit into the screws on the cover of the brake fluid master cylinder. So any small mounted screwdriver would do, a star screwdriver would do. We're just going to close this right now and screw it back. We're going to wipe off any residue of the brake oil on the body of the motorcycle. We don't want to create a permanent stain. So we're just going to wipe this off before we proceed to the front brake. So if the looking glass, that is that transparent glass or plastic that helps you see the level of your brake fluid, if it's broken, you need to try and seal it or change it so that your brake fluid is not going to leak out over time. So that is exactly what you see him trying to do here before we proceed to fill the master cylinder with the brake fluid. Hey, that's good. And when you pull am, go see. When you pump am, go see. Regular changing of your motorcycle brakes is very important so that you maintain smooth braking system at all times. We're pumping the brakes now to make sure that the fluid really is entering into the braking system. You want to make sure you have a well oiled braking system for your motorcycle to prevent your braking to prevent brake failure. With this concludes the topping off of the front brake fluid. So we're just going to cover this back and screw it on. Last but not the least, as we conclude this episode on how to change or replace the brake fluid of your motorcycle, is to bleed the braking system. So you bleed the braking system to make sure you remove any air bubbles from the braking lines and ensure the smoothest possible braking system ever. This would take care of any possible brake failures in the future.